How to fix 100% disk usage on your laptop. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily fix the 100% disk usage on your Windows laptop. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your services. Open up Run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R, and then go ahead and search for services.msc. Hit enter. Now once your services open up, you want to just go ahead and click on any one of them and then type in S. It will directly take you over to sysmain. Right click on it or just double click on it. And then make sure that the startup type is disabled. Click on apply and then OK. Once that is done, you want to go over and then search for another service. So you want to find your connected device. Go ahead and type in C here, and then it's going to take you to Connected Device Platform Service. Right click on it, go to Properties, make sure the startup type is disabled, stop the running program, and then once you've done that, you can click on Apply and then OK. And once that is done, close it out, restart your laptop once. It's going to fix most of your issues. Now you want to perform a simple scan, so I'll just go to my PC over here, or you could just open up Windows Explorer and then scan my C drive. You can just right click on this and then go to Properties. Then from here find Tools, and then you'll find this Optimize and Defragment drive. Click on Optimize, and all you have to do here is simply select your C drive, that is my SSD. And if the schedule optimization is turned on, you can just change the settings. Now from here, I can just choose to disable it. Now you could also check this box, increase task priority if 3 consecutive scheduled runs are missed. Now from here, you can easily disable it as well. So from weekly, I'll just turn this off and then click on OK. Now schedule optimization is now turned off. Right click on this and then you can just click on Optimize. And it's going to automatically optimize your drive and then clear out all of the junk files. That's basically it, guys. These are some of the things that you can do to fix your problem. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If so, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.